بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, take out page number 23, open page 23 and look at a new topic, that is introduction of thousand. Introduction of thousand. Student, as you know, thousand is 4-digit number. There are 4 digits in thousand. 1 digit, that is in ones. 2 digits, that is in tens place value. 3 digit, which is 0, in hundreds place value, and 4th digit is 1, which is in thousands place value. So we have 4-digit number. The thousand is 4-digit number. There are few numbers which change its place value if we only add a single digit into it. Student, we have some numbers with which when we add just one, it can change. Like 9. Look at 9. The circles shows ones. We have 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones. When we add this digit 9, which is the largest 1-digit number? What is 9? 9 is the largest 1-digit number. But when we add a single one with 9, it will become 10. What? It will become 10. And 10 is not 1-digit number. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, because the 2-digit number starts from 10. Therefore, when we add 1 with 9, it will become 10. And 10 is 2-digit number, the smallest 2-digit number. Now look at the boy, what he is saying. 10 circles equal to 1 star. Students, the circles shows to you a single number or ones. But when 9 ones add with 1, it become 10, and the star shows the tens. The circle shows ones and the star shows tens. Now students, look at the stars. In each star there is 1 10. Mean to say, each star shows you 1 10. So count tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. Student, when we add some number with 9 tens, it will become another number and it will change its number of digits. Like this. Look at, we are adding some number with it. Ones, 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones plus 1, 10 ones. If we have 10, 9 ones and 1 1 make 1 10. So if we add 1 10 with these 9 tens, it will become 100. Students, I am telling you again, these stars shows 9 tens. All these circles shows ones, and when we add this one with 9 ones, it will become 110, but it is not shows, it not do not show you stars. These are just in circles because they shows ones. But when we add this one with 9 ones, it will become 110, and when we add 110 with these 9 tens, it will make 100. What? 100. Now turn the page number 24, and look at the triangles. Students, each triangle shows you 100. Each triangle shows 100. So we will count hundreds. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s. Student, we have 900 here. Look here, 900. Now we are adding tens with 900s. Look at, we are adding the stars or tens with 100 by adding, look at the sign of plus. We are adding both the numbers. We are counting now. 110, yes, 2 tens, then 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. Student, 9 tens make 90. What? 9 tens make 90. Look here, 90. First we count 900, then we will count tens, which is 90. Now we will count ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, and 9 ones. Look here, we have 9 ones, and it is added with tens and hundreds. Now, student, look here, this addition sign, we are adding just one number with all these numbers, then it will change the number. When we add just one number with all these numbers, it will change the number of digits, and it will become 1000. Look here, now it makes 4-digit number. One digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, and 4 digits. Therefore, look here and count the green triangles. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. 1000 make 1000, which is 4-digit number. Mean to say there are 4 digits in 1000, and it is the lowest 4-digit number, the smallest 4-digit number. Look here, I am, 1000 says hello, I am first 4-digit number. Now students, have a look on board. I am repeating the introduction of 1000 to teach you better. Now look at 9. Students, 9 is 1-digit number. 9 is 1-digit number, and as you know, 1-digit number starts from 0 and end up to 9. And after 9, there is no 1-digit number. It is the end of 1-digit number. But if we add a single one with it, if we add a single one with 9, it will become 10. And look student, there are 2 digits in 10. It is 2-digit number. What? 2-digit number. There are 2 digits, 0 and 1. And 2-digit number starts from 10. Therefore, it is the smallest 2-digit number. Now, after 2-digit number, 99 is the greatest. Dear students, to teaching it better, have a look on board. I wrote on board simply. Look at the introduction of 1000. We have 9. 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. Students, number starts from 0. 0 is the smallest 1-digit number and 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. When we add 1, a single 1 with 9, it will become 10. And 10 is not 1-digit number. It is 2-digit number because there are 2 digits, 0 and 1. And 2-digit number starts from 10. And 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Now look at 99. Look at 99. Look at 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. After 99, there is no 2-digit number. When we add single 1 with 99, it will become 100. 100 is 3-digit number because 100 has 3 digits. 1, 0, 2, 0 and 1. They are 3 digits. It is the smallest 3-digit number because it is the start of 3-digit number and it ends up to 999. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. If we add a single 1 with 999, it will become 1000. And 1000 is 4-digit number. The introduction of 1000 is that 1000 is 4-digit number. There are 4 digits, 10, 20, 30 and 4 zeros. 10, 20, 30 and 1. So 1000 is 4-digit number. Students, look at exercise 1B on page number 24. Look at question number 1. Write the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the blocks. Look at part A. We have two numbers of 78 and 46. In between the box, you will put greater than, less than or equal to sign. Look here in 2 digits, ones and tens. First of all, you will compare tens. Here 7 is present in tens place value and here in 46, 4 is in tens place value. Therefore, 7 is greater than 4. So, 78 is greater than 46. We will put greater than sign. Now, look at part B. 171 and 711. Compare it. Its place value of hundreds. Here in hundreds is 1 and here in hundreds is 7. It is easily compare that 7 is greater than, therefore 711 is greater than 171. So we will put the sign of greater, less than. Now students, look at part C. The other 4 parts you will do it by yourself. Look here, 73 is greater than 17. So you will put the greater one sign. 52 is equal to 52. You will put equal to sign here. 613 is greater than 316. So you will write greater than sign. And 567 is less than 765, therefore you will write the symbol of less than. Come to question number 2. Encircle the balloon which has smaller number. Listen students, we have two balloons in each part. You will compare the both numbers in the balloons and then you will circle the balloon which has smaller number. Look, compare 106 is less than 153. Therefore, we will circle 106. The balloon 106. So circle it like this. Look at part B. 543 is greater than 345. Therefore, we will circle the smaller number which is 345. The other four parts, part C, part D, E and F, you will do yourself. Now come to the next page. Page number 25. Look at question number 3. Color the bigger number in green. Students, we have two ducks in each part. You will color green. Put color in your hand and you will color the bigger number in green. And you will leave the other duck. You will not color the smallest number. Look at the first one, part A. Here 106 and here is 153. So look and compare it. 153 is the bigger number. Therefore, we will color this duck in green color. Now I colored one for you. Look, 153 is greater number. Therefore, the greater numbers duck is in green color. Look at part B. 845 is greater number than 345. Therefore, you will color 845 in green color. I have done this B part for you. Other four parts you will do by self. Look, I am guiding you. Part C, 256 is not greater. 625 is greater than, then you will color this one duck. Look, part D, 125 is less and 625 is greater number. Therefore, you will color this one. E part, 540 is greater number, then you will color the first one duck. And 405 is less than 540. Look at part F. 179 is greater than 178. Therefore, you will color the first one duck. Come to question number 4. Write the following expanded form of numbers in standard form. First one is done for you. Student, to clarify the concept of expanded and standard form, I will show something to you on board. First, now students, have a look on board. Look at this number 715. Student, it is not an open form. It is called standard form. A simple number which is not open with zeros. It is called standard form. When we make expanded form, we will expand it, we will open it in ones, hundreds, tens and hundreds. Like this. Look, 715. We opened it in ones, tens and hundreds by putting the symbol of addition. Look here students. 7 is in hundreds. Tens, there are 7 hundreds in hundreds place value and 1 10 in tens and 5 ones in ones. Therefore, if we write in hundreds, tens, ones, we will write like this: 7 hundreds, 1 tens and 5 ones. But if we will open it in numbers, just numbers with putting 0, we will expand it like this: 7 with 2 zeros, 700. This 700s means 700. This 110 means 110 just, and 5 ones is in 5 ones. This is open form of a number, and it is clear in ones, tens and hundreds. This is called expanded form. Now have a look on book. Look at question number 4. Write the following expanded form of numbers in standard form first. 1 is done for you. Students, look, this is expanded form, and when you add all these numbers, it will become 500, which is standard form. It is not open with zeros. Look at 500 plus 00 plus 0. Here 0 is in ones. Here 2 zeros are the place value of tens. Mean here isn't any number except 0 in tens place value, and here 500 is in hundreds place. Therefore, when we put just 5 in hundreds, 0 in tens and 0 in ones, the standard form, when we add these, the standard form become 500. Look at this expanded form. 600 plus 80 plus 1. We will expand it with hundreds, ones, tens. Look at how many hundreds we have. 6. You will put here just 6. How many tens? 8 tens. How many ones? Just 1. It will become 681. Look students, 681 is standard form. Part C you will do by self for your test. Okay. Question 5 is complete the following. First one is done for you. Look at students. Look at part A, 715, which I have done on board. Look, we are expanded it. This is standard form. In numbers form, these are standard. And we will expand it with the sign of addition. Look at 700 plus 10 plus 5. Look at students. Here the question is write the number with the written value. These are the written value, hundreds. How many hundreds are there in expanded form? Here 7. 7 is the place value of hundreds. So we wrote here 700s. Look to the next part B. We have 602. We will expand it first. 6 is in 100 place, so 600 write with 2 zeros, 6 write with 2 0, it will make 600. Then there is no any tens in tens place value, therefore we will write just 2 zeros, and 2 is in ones place value. Here the question is about ones. The written value is ones, so we have 2 ones here. Students, the remaining 3 parts you will do yourself, and this is your homework. It is the time of your homework. Students, you will complete question 1, 2 of page 24 and question 3, 4, 5 at page 25 in book neatly. I hope you will do your work very neat. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.